Hello, this is Golf Nahe, and today I'm gonna do a sound test of the three drivers. First up, we have this I-Hwa driver from the 2000s, and it's the first driver I ever had. You can tell it has a lot of scratches because it's the first driver I ever used. Next, I have the Xxio Tour Special. It's the second driver I ever got, and it works quite well. It has a smaller club face than the first one, and you can tell it has a lot of scratches too. And lastly, we have this Taylormade M4 driver. It's the club I use the most nowadays, and it matches my swing style really well. Now let's try to do the sound test now.